In this video, I'll share how I diagnosed and resolved a P0796 Pressure Control Solenoid C Performance stuck-off issue. This code typically points to a problem with the transmission pressure control system, so I started by taking a systematic approach to identify the root cause. The customer came in with a check engine light complaint, so I connected a scan tool to retrieve the code. The scan revealed P0796, which meant there was an issue with the Pressure Control Solenoid C. My next step was to visually inspect the automatic transmission fluid. While the fluid level was correct, it was dirty, which can often indicate internal wear or contamination. Next, I performed a road test in fourth gear while monitoring live data with the scan tool. I focused on the torque converter clutch slip speed parameter, which exceeded the maximum specification of 130 RPM, confirming a performance issue with the transmission. To investigate further, I used the scan tool to command the automatic transmission pressure control solenoid C on, but it was unresponsive, indicating it wasn't functioning as it should. To confirm the issue, I connected an oil pressure gauge to the line pressure test port and started the engine. Once the transmission reached operating temperature, I used the scan tool to command the solenoid to increase line pressure. However, the actual pressure reading on the gauge didn't match the commanded pressure, further verifying that the solenoid wasn't working properly. I removed the automatic transmission pan for a closer look and found excessive metal shavings and clutch material, a clear sign of internal transmission damage. This debris was also contaminating the pressure control solenoid, causing it to stick. At this point, it was clear that the only solution was to replace the entire transmission assembly, as the solenoid is integrated into the replacement unit. After installing the new transmission, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test. This time, the vehicle operated perfectly. The check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This repair highlights the importance of thorough diagnostics and systematic testing to identify the root cause of a transmission issue. If you're facing a P0796 code or similar problems, I hope this video gave valuable insights into diagnosing and fixing the issue properly.